In this module, we shall introduce kernel of a homomorphism phi from G to G prime, where G and G prime are the groups. Let's introduce kernel of phi. If phi from G to G prime is a group morphism, the kernel of phi, denoted by char phi, is defined to be the set of elements of G that are mapped by phi to the identity of G prime. And we take identity of G prime is E prime, और identity जो आपके पास G की है वो E है. That is, kernel phi is equal to set of all G belonging to G such that the image of G under phi is E prime. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि वो तमाम G के एलिमेंट्स जो कि G प्राइम की आइडेंटिटी पे मैप हो रहे हैं वो कर्नल ऑफ phi को बिलोंग करेंगे. Now let's state the corollary. Let phi from G to G prime be a group morphism. Then phi is injective, that is 1 to 1, if and only if kernel phi equal to singleton E. मतलब ये है कि आपके पास अगर क्योंकि जैसा कि phi होमोमॉर्फिज्म है, आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट G का G प्राइम के आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट पे मैप करेगा. अगर कर्नल ऑफ phi में सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट है, आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट E विच इज आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट ऑफ G, तो फिर आपके पास जो phi होमोमॉर्फिज्म है वो 1 to 1 होगी. Let's prove the corollary. We are going to prove if and only if condition. So firstly we take kernel of phi is equal to singleton E, and we need to prove that phi is 1 to 1, and then conversely we shall take phi 1 to 1 and we shall establish kernel of phi is equal to singleton E. Let's start with the direct statement. If kernel phi is equal to singleton E, then for every A belongs to G, the elements mapped into phi A is the image of A under phi, are precisely the elements of the left coset A into singleton E. एंड जैसा कि आपका मालूम है, जब आप A को E के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेट में A आ जाएगा, which shows that phi is 1 to 1. Now we shall prove the converse statement. Suppose phi is 1 to 1. Now we know that identity element of G will map on identity element of G prime. Therefore, phi E equal to E prime. And here we denote E prime by the identity element of G prime. Since phi is 1 to 1, we see that E is the only element mapped into E prime by phi. So, we shall obtain in kernel phi the single element E. So in this result we have proved that phi is 1 to 1 if and only if char phi equal to singleton E. Now we shall introduce the isomorphism by using this result. To show phi from G to G prime is an isomorphism, there are 3 steps. Step 1. Show phi is a homomorphism. Step 2. Show kernel phi equal to singleton E. मतलब 1 to 1 शो करने के लिए अगर आप ये कंडीशन शो कर दें, उसकी इक्विवेलेंट कंडीशन कर्नल फाई इक्वल टू सिंगलटन ई, तो आपके पास आइसोमॉर्फिज्म एस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए 3 चीज़ों की हमें ज़रूरत होती है। फाई होमोमॉर्फिज्म हो, 1 to 1 हो, ऑन टू हो। तो स्टेप 3 के अंदर शो फाई मैप्स जी ऑन टू जी प्राइम।